Imagine a computer can steal your face. It can put you in a video and you say things you never said. Explain deepfake like you're at 10. Welcome back to class. A deepfake is a fake video. But how does a computer make one? First, it voices a person. It looks at many photos and videos of their face. It learns the face very well. That deep learning is the deep in deepfake. Now, the computer can copy the face. It puts in the face into a new video. In that video, the person can say anything. But it's not real. They never said it. A bad person can fake a famous face. They can even fake a voice on the phone. So, how do you stay safe? Do not trust the video just because you see it. If it looks like shocking, check the real news first. And if someone asks for the money, call them back yourself. Now, even your eyes can be tricked. What should I explain next? Write it in the comments.